Previously on Joke Show 1910. Aw, come on, man, we're not missing the show. The peoples are waiting for the show on.
What's happening? Someone has tried to get the things we made.
I told you guys, the hollow plate is not bad, isn't it? Well, how was it? It was bad. Since I got in the mall in the last few times, about nearly 20 times. Where did you go, Lee Villers? Well, I got a tattoo redone, so I gotta get trick. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hey, where's Deena? Oh, she's right here. I'm here, Daryl. Oh, hi, Deena. Come on, I'll buy you guys for a chocolate mousse for a drink. Ooh. Hey, there he is. That's Lee Villers. Run for your life, guys. Wait, hey, come back here. No, get away. Right. I'll get all of you. I'll get all of them. Keep your hands outside. What's happening? I can't believe that guy didn't hang out. If I can get it, then I must get stop him. And so do I. Yeah, if he finds out.
We interrupt this program for a breaking news story.
The highest being car chase is happening right now for Interstate 3. We go live skies for a helicopter.
They're gaming on us. Popsicle! Hey guys! Man, I can't believe I didn't get anything at the mall. Hey, look what we came back. I got back from the hall. We didn't get our chocolate mousse drinks. Can you please tell us what happened?
Oh really? I haven't know about the car crash.
Guys, listen. Listen to me. I'm very sorry about that. But you guys, I just went to hall. Guys, I have to leave now. Goodbye, guys. I'm going back to jail.